I know, when we've worked together, I know that your passion lies in transforming events into these live experiences that bring forth, the emotion and the change and really this unique magic that can't be replicated by any other marketing channel. I'd like you for our listeners who, are meeting professionals, speakers, business owners, and a shout out to them for coming and thanking them for being here. And first timers, welcome. Like us, love us, subscribe. But this magic, Courtney, that, this builds these strong brands, how do you leverage that for the attendees' experience?
Yeah, absolutely. I will preface the question by saying that my background has primarily been in association events. I've been in the association event world for longer than I care to mention. And really, what I have seen over my years is that events just have this unmatched power, to immerse people in their brand story and creating these emotional connections that no other marketing channel can. And when you think back to association world, 20 some years ago, there really wasn't a lot of emotion in events. It was, as I recall, butts and seats, panel presentation, sage on the stage. And as the world has evolved, technology has come in, people are really wanting to feel this emotional connection. I always kind of thought about thinking about the memories that stood out to me to events that I attended 5, 10, 15 years ago. Could be a personal, could be a professional. But the moments that you remember is the moments that you felt something, whether that was excitement, whether that was surprise and delight, whether that was, feeling special, feeling important. And so, really it's this emotional connection, and you can't do that through a screen. You can't do that on paper. And so I'm passionate about that. Planners and organizations need to be thinking about this. And I 100% believe that you don't need to do this that you can do this on a shoestring budget. You don't have to have massive amounts of money to do this. And as long as that you are creative, a kick-ass trailblazer, that you'll figure it out and you can really connect that live experience to evoke motion and change that events, I feel, have the power to do.
Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of clarity in what you say. It seems like you're just very standing on top of this, putting on an event, live event that brings that magic. There's a lot of complexity to it. The base is simple. You want to provide people an experience where they feel something important. And like you said, it could be just excited, happy. It also could be having the experience of transforming their know-how, their professional capacity, but something that they can take away. And standing on top of that as you lead your team is simple yet a very strong foundation